Okay, everybody, today's project is going to be a Easter bunny hat decoration. So what you will need is some artificial flowers, an assortment of colors, a hat from the Dollar Tree, bunny ears from the Dollar Tree, and some felt. We have colors for eyes, eyelashes, and a little pink nose. Today I chose orange to kind of coordinate with those flowers. And I'm going to do a spin on the ears. So I got 2.5-inch wide wired ribbon to make mine a little bit different than normal. And let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is start with your black felt and cut out some oval shapes, or close to the oval shapes. Second, a set of white ones. So you need 2 black, 2 white, then a little bit smaller oval, orange for the eye color, and then a black circle. So we can layer those all together and use them as the eyes for the bunny. With the pink, make yourself a little pink nose by cutting out a heart. And for eyes, we do need eyelashes. So I have just some small strips of black felt to use as eyelashes. Those things I do first, just so it'll be easy once things start to get put together. Today we have the bunny ears with yellow, and I chose a different color flower than yellow, so I want to reverse that and make it more neutral. So I decided to use ribbon, buffalo check tan and off-white ribbon, to make my ears a more neutral color, and we'll go from there. First thing I want to do is get the ears prepared to put in the hat. So I'm going to grab a pair of wire cutters, come over here, and about 1 inch down, snap those right off. Okay, so I snapped through the plastic holder. I'm going to go on the other side and do the same. And that'll allow for me to come back with my scissors and just cut off the fur. Right in place. Well, it should, if I get the right place. There we go. And you can use this side if you choose, but I'm going to use this side. I'm going to come back with my ribbon and replace the ears, the ear color. I'm going to fold in half, put a little glue there, then take the sides and fold them in as well. And hopefully that'll go through all 3 layers. Nope, I guess not. So I'm going to flip them over and do the backs. Okay, so I've just pleated the bottom of the ear. I'm going to do the same for the second. Fold it back. Now I need to put a little dot. Fold over again. Once again, pleat that as such. I'm going to let that cool off a little bit before I proceed. Okay. Now you're going to take your little hat and you're going to find a place where you can fold it in 2, which I did already. Okay, you fold the hat and the brim in 2, like that, or in half. Then you leave 2 sections of that little row in place, and you cut the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the hat over, cut the next 4. So you will end up with a hat with 2 holes in the brim, right next to the brim. And you take your lovely ears, and I started to work on this one already. And you take your ear, and you poke it through. And your other ear, and poke it through. And as you can see, I started with putting the ribbon on that one. Now it's time to do this one. Just going to take my glue gun, put a little bit right here, and then load this ear up. Place the ribbon on the ear. Okay, time to remove this extra felt. And that brings me now, I want to look at the face. I'm going to turn it a bit. And here comes the eyes and the nose. The nose you want to put in the middle, but instead of putting it shape up, you put the heart shape down. Okay, heart shape goes down. And then your eyes. We'll start with the black. Then the white ovals. Then we want the pigment of the eye color. Orange in this case. Oop, there goes my ribbon. And this part makes the expression cute. Wherever you have decided to place these, will make your bunny's face have a little character. Going a little bit towards the middle. And eyelash time. And of course I have all these spaghetti strings of glue that I'll have to get off, but that's just the way it is with me. Glue those off. Starting to come shape now, nicely. Okay. Now that the face is coming into shape, I'm going to ask you to flip it over and take a hair tie or some sort of attachment that you may have so we can loop it on the back. So you have a hanger. I'm going to place that right in between the ears on the back side. As simple as that. I'll take all these strings off from my glue gun. And I've taken all the flowers that I had and beheaded them. It's time just to place them where you like them. So I'm going to start right here in the middle and show you by placing glue here between the ears. Place one flower there, and another flower on this side. Just push them right in. And some more over here. At least one more. And spin on the side. It's coming along. If you want to add some white, please do so. Stick it in wherever you feel that you want. I'll put some on each end. Slide it right in. Slide this one right in. Coming along, but I think I could add a few more. I'm going to place a white one right in front of the ear. On each side. And I think all I have left to do is make a bow and place it right there below its chin. Alright folks, I grabbed my ribbon and off camera I made my bow because my SD card is getting full and time is running thin. Alright, I'll put my bow on. I just took my wired ribbon, made a simple bow. I'm going to attach it for its chin with a glue gun. Might have to hold it down a bit. And then I forgot the pom-poms. They're the most important part for its little nose. I thought I was done with the nose, but I've forgotten. Take some glue from the glue gun. Put that underneath the nose. Your little heart. And now I'm able to call it good. Check out the pictures that are about to come.